changamoto mingi sana tumepata KMTC aswa hapa Nyamira, na moja yake ni mambo ya health. That issue of health, we have placed it upon Parliament to get allocation for students in KMTC to enjoy help just like any other student in this country. And we are not going to stop. I have been with your Member of Parliament this morning, and I have told him he must support us equally in Bunge to ensure we get the adequate allocation for help for students in KMTC. The second thing is about the hostels, and I want to tell you students, nyinyi wenyewe mkienda hapo nje ndio mtajua kwa nini Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya anasema anatupeleka Singapore. Umesikia hivyo? Umesikia akisema hivyo? Tunaenda Singapore. Hii hostel ikiisha, hiyo ni kwenda Singapore. Help ikiingia ni Singapore. Because our issues are going to be taken care of. Will you not be happy to have a new hostel? Are you not happy to have a new hostel? And I have been told by 5th of December this year. Wale bado ni wachanga. 2.1. Hapo we will enjoy. And this is a landmark. Irrespective of all the other challenges about land, this is a landmark infrastructure that is going to help this community, and it is also going to help you, the students. So we are happy and we thank His Excellency. Ama mnasema namna gani? Namshukuru sana Rais. Akikuja kesho mtamwambia, si anakuja hapa kwenu? Na mmebarikiwa. Mnafikiria ni shule ngapi wameona Rais amewatembelea? Si ni kidogo sana? Out of all the campuses, Rais atakuja hapa kufungua kuweka juu hiyo mradi. I know there is also another challenge around the administration block. Myself and my CEO, we are going to work very hard to see whether we will continue seeking for allocation to have an administration block for this college. And many other things nimeonyeshwa na yule mrembo amekuwa hapa. Ameenda wapi? Kwani hiyo mabango imeenda wapi? Ametoroka? She's there. You are aware we have been having inadequate lecturers in our campuses, not just in Nyamira. And last year alone, how many did we employ? We employed 670 lecturers across the country. And this year, I am sure we are going to employ more. So don't you worry, relax, my lecturers are ready. I've talked about bursaries, help, scholarships, the field. Si kwanza tumalize hostel. Si ndio? One day at a time, eh? One day at a time. Sawa sawa? And I know about the lecture halls, which is part of the infrastructure that we are seeking, which is modern administration block, inclusion of lecture halls. Waziri wa lands, hawa watoto wanataka title deed. Sasa sikuje wasalimie kama bado unaelezea kama iko karibu.
Principal of this institution is aware. We've walked through this field many times. Although I've currently moved from lands to finance, but I'll do everything I can with my colleague in lands to make sure that the institution has its own data. For the students, my best wishes to you, because we need your services. As you can see, so far as we go on, we need medical attention all the time, and it's for all of us. And so, work smart. Make the best out of this institution. The future does not not end with your qualification from here. That's just a starting point. You will improve them, and you can do whatever it is you want to do on this earth. You see a Madam PS here who tells you you can be a PS in the near future. Just work smart.
And pray God that He walks with you on this journey and you will make it.